In this video, we will discuss questions asked in CUET 2025 from the chapter Accounting Ratios. So first question is here, current ratio is given and quick ratio is given. So we should know the formula. Current ratio is current assets divided by current liability, and quick ratio is liquid assets divided by current liability, or liquid asset is equal to current assets minus inventory divided by current liabilities. So these are the formulas, 3:1 and 2:1. So current ratio is 3/1 and liquid ratio is 2/1. Inventory is given to be 5,000. So from equation 1 we can say current asset is equal to 3 times current liability, and we'll transfer this value in quick ratio formula. 3CL, inventory is given in the question 5,000 divided by CL. We'll cross multiply and get 2CL is equal to 3CL minus 5,000. On solving, we get current liability is equal to 5,000. Now we have to calculate current assets and quick assets. Current assets is 3 times current liability. So current assets are 15,000. And quick assets or liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. So 15,000 minus 5,000, 10,000. Current assets are 15,000 and liquid assets are 10,000. Let's move to the next question. In this, we have to calculate net profit before tax and profit after tax is given. So profit after tax is equal to profit before tax minus tax. Profit after tax is 50,000. PBT we have to calculate, let's say assume it to be X. Tax is 20%. So 20% of PBT, that is X. So 50,000, we'll solve this. We will get X is equal to 62,500. Moving to the next question. In this, we have to calculate gross profit. And inventory turnover ratio is given. So whenever some ratio is given, we need to know its formula. Formula for inventory turnover ratio is cost of revenue from operation divided by average inventory. Putting the value, ITR is 8, cost of revenue is not given, average inventory is given 40,000. Cross multiplying will get the value for cost of revenue from operation, 3,20,000. Now since we have to calculate gross profit, we'll write the formula for gross profit, which is net sales or revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. In the question, sales or RFO is not given, so we'll assume it to be X. Cost is 3,20,000. GP is 20% on RFO. So RFO is X, GP will be 20% of X. We'll solve for X. It will come out to be 4 lakh. RFO is 4 lakh. GP will be 20% of RFO. So 20% of 4 lakh, which is 80,000. Correct option is fourth. Now next question. Here we have to calculate net profit and GP ratio is given. So since GP ratio is given, we'll apply the formula. GP ratio is gross profit divided by net sales or RFO multiplied by 100. GP is 25%. We'll simply write 25. GP is not given, RFO is given. RFO is also not directly given. Net sales include both cash sales and credit sales. So first we have to calculate net sales. Credit sales is given 20 lakh. Cash sales is 20% of total sales. So total sales we'll assume it to be X. Cash sales is 20% of total sales. So 20% of X. On solving, we will get X is equal to 25 lakh. So RFO is 25 lakh. From this we can find out the value of GP. It will come out to be 6,25,000 and we have to tell net profit. Formula for net profit is GP minus indirect expenses. We'll put the values in the formula. GP is 6,25,000. Indirect expenses are given to be 50,000. So it will be 5,75,000. Option number 4. Next question is match the following. We know there are 4 types of ratios which are given in list 2. Current ratio is liquidity ratio, stock turnover ratio is activity ratio, debt equity ratio is solvency ratio, operating ratio is profit. So basically correct answer is A1, B2, C3 and D4. Do not forget to give your feedback and subscribe to the channel.